many people like chicken and pizza. So which do you prepare, chicken or pizza? Even so, I like pizza. My first reason is pizza has many vegetables because I love vegetables. For example, olive, mushroom, and tomato. But I really don't like paprika because that flavor is very bad. I love all vegetables, only doesn't like paprika. My second reason is I love cheese because cheese is full, but some pizza not have cheese. I don't like that pizza, and I don't like some of cheese in pizza. Cheese is very, very delicious. My third reason is I really don't like chicken because chicken has a lot of chicken meat. I don't like chicken meat. That is not have to like I love has twice food, but pizza is okay. In conclusion, I like pizza because pizza has many vegetables. I love cheese and I really don't like chicken. Thank you for listening my presentation.